Hello guys and welcome back. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Claude AI to make money in 2026. So whether you're a freelancer, a content creator, entrepreneur, student, consultant, or someone looking to start an online side hustle, Claude AI can help you work faster, create valuable products, automate repetitive tasks, and grow an online income stream. So by the end of this, you will know exactly how to use Claude to actually generate some ideas, create services, and build digital products, and hopefully develop some income producing projects in 2026. So let's get into it. What is Claude AI? So Claude AI is an AI assistant that is designed to help with writing, brainstorming, coding, researching, content creation, planning, productivity, and business tasks. Rather than making money automatically, Claude helps you create your products, provide your services, and complete your work more efficiently. Claude can help you with your writing, researching, coding, content creation, business planning, marketing, and productivity. So it's really good and underrated. All right, so first things first, we're going to start with freelancing. One of the fastest ways to make money using Claude is through freelancing. So businesses constantly need help creating content, writing emails, researching topics, and marketing, you know, campaigns. All you need to do is just a Google search, and you can find platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. So they offer these jobs, and you could just simply take advantage of that. You all you need to do is just Google Upwork and log on to the platform, create an account, follow through, get your ID verified, and once you're done there, you can begin offering services. Now, the services Claude can help you with would be blog writing, script writing, copywriting, email marketing, social media content creation, product descriptions, research assistance, as well as coding. So you could use Claude to debug for some projects. You could actually help people out with some few little tasks that don't require too much of the AI's help. All right, so for this, all you need to do is just enter the prompt box here and make sure you signed into your account first. After that, all you need to do is just ask it to help you write a professional blog article about digital marketing for small businesses. You could still spice this up to reflect your Upwork job. And once you're done, just go ahead and send this in. And that would be it. It would help you, write a professional blog about digital marketing. Claude can actually speed up your workflow, allowing you to complete more clients' projects in less time. Another thing you can use Claude for, to make some good money, is creating your YouTube content. So, if you're interested in content creation, Claude can become your personal content assistant. It can help you generate your video ideas, your YouTube scripts, video titles, descriptions, content calendars. Basically, Claude does everything you need to do in order to get your business out and also push your videos. It's going to show you different unique styles to get your videos approved and you know unskippable. All right, so we have a question here from Claude. What angle do we want to take? So we can go begin an overview and select freelancers as our target audience, and the length could just be casual. And it's going to go ahead and create content off of this little piece of instruction. So this is what we call a prompt. A prompt is basically a set of instructions you give to artificial intelligence that it follows using your letters. All right, so many successful creators use AI tools to increase their output and stay consistent. So, if you were to actually make use of Claude AI for your YouTube channel, you would end up with a good amount of money if done properly. Let's say you're looking to, make use of YouTube. All you need to do is just head over to YouTube and create an account on the platform. Once you've created an account, you can then begin using your account to make some money by posting videos. It could be tech videos, shorts, movies, anything you need to post on YouTube. You can get all of those information from uh, Claude. And to do this, just enter the prompt box here and just write a message. Your message could be anywhere from generate 50 YouTube videos ideas for beginners. So it could be anything. All right, so after that, all you need to do is just simply create and sell digital products. So digital products are one of the most scalable ways to actually make money online. You could sell either ebooks, templates, checklists, worksheets, guides, prompt packs, and Notion templates. Basically, Claude can assist with research, outlines, and editing, as well as formatting your ideas. So that way you actually get the work done and Claude just assists you. Um, if you're going to be looking to create content or sell off your digital products, you could just ask it to help you create an ebook. An ebook is content, so you could ask it to create a complete ebook about productivity for remote workers. That is a topic that is less touched on, and you could actually make sales if published and decorated the right way. All right, guys, and after that, you could also build clients' websites. So you could build client websites. Claude is really good with that, and you could also create apps and software projects, just minor things. And then you could also start an email newsletter, create online courses that people can follow, sign up for, and make payments to. And then you could offer social media management services as well, and also create AI powered businesses services. So, one of the fewest opportunities that are available, it's relatively new, is actually helping businesses implement their AI into workflows. So, with AI consulting on the rise, prompt creation being needed, content automation systems being required, workflow designs being acquired, and productivity optimization being in demand, creating an AI powered content workflow for small businesses is the bare minimum. You can do this and actually create some wealth for yourself if you find a job on the right sites. All right, guys, and that's basically it. That's how to use Claude to make some money. You just simply need to prompt it in a way in which you can make the most out of the free plan or any plans you're on, and you can actually get some money off of the platform if you prompt it properly. All right, guys. So remember, Claude is a tool. The real opportunity comes from combining it with useful skills. So you must have existing skills in order to take advantage of Claude, and also a willingness to create value for others, and being consistent. And that's about it. So leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.